Apple keeps things pretty user-friendly for their devices, and that includes helping users avoid accidental deletions on their phones. If you've accidentally deleted a photo on iOS, don't worry, it isn't gone forever. Here's how to get a photo back on iOS. If you've deleted a photo from your gallery but you need it back, it could still be there. When you delete something from your gallery, it gets put into your recently deleted album for 30 days before it gets permanently deleted, just in case you deleted it by accident or you end up changing your mind. To see if it's still there, open the Photos app on your iPhone and tap on the Albums tab in the bottom right. Scroll to the very bottom, then find and tap on the Recently Deleted folder to look through all of your recently deleted photos and videos. From here, you can choose your photos to recover by tapping on Select, then on all the videos you want to recover. Once you've selected everything you need, tap on Recover, then confirm your decision to get them back. If you want to recover everything, just tap on Select, then on Recover All. If your photo doesn't appear in this folder after you've deleted it, there might still be a place where you can find it. If you've used iCloud to back up your photos and other data, you can try looking for it there. On your phone, head to iCloud.com, sign in, and tap on Photos to view your photos and videos you've backed up on iCloud. From here, you can look for the photos you need. If you manage to find it, tap on it to select or preview your photo. To download it, tap on the triple dotted icon. On the menu that pops up, tap Download, then tap Download again. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering iOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.